Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve the numericals from additional exercise of chapter motion in a straight line and question number 23. Student, listen carefully. A three-wheeler start from rest. U, that is what? 0. Accelerate uniformly with 1 meter per second square on a straight road for 10 seconds. Accelerate uniformly with acceleration 1 meter per second square for in a straight path for 10 seconds, and then move with a uniform velocity. After 10 seconds, three-wheeler move with a uniform velocity. Plot the distance covered by the vehicle during the nth second, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 seconds versus n. So we have to plot a graph between distance covered by the vehicle during nth second and versus n. N means what? Time means what the distance traveled by object in nth second, that is snth, and time, that is what? N. And this is we have to plot for up to 10 second. What do you expect this plot? What do you expect this plot to be during accelerated motion? A straight line or a parabola? So student, I have already explained to you that formula when the object travel a distance, that formula is what? Distance traveled by object in nth second. And this formula, so here distance covered by three-wheeler in nth second, and this formula comes out to be that which is snth. I have already explain this formula. Snth, distance covered by three-wheeler in nth second. Snth, this is the distance travel in nth second, and this formula u plus a by 2 in bracket 2n minus 1, and this three-wheeler travel in a straight line path up to 10 second with uniform acceleration. After this they will move with a uniform speed. So first of all we have to find the distance covered by three-wheeler from 1 second to 10th second, means n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put the value what the distance traveled by it. So for n equal to 1 to 10, and then we find the snth value, and if we plot a graph. So distance covered by three-wheeler in nth second, formula snth equal to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. Here n, that is what? Represent time. So now student, we put an three-wheeler start from rest. So what the distance traveled by three-wheeler in first second, that is what? When n equal to what? When n equal to what? 1 second. So snth comes out to be that is what? S1, which comes out to be that is what? 0 plus a, that is what? 1, and this will comes out to be that 1 by 2, and n, that is what? 1 minus 1, and student 2 minus 1, that is what? 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means what? Student comes out to be that is what? 0.5 S1, that is what? Comes out to be that what? 0.5 here, that is what? Meter. 0.5 meter. Similarly put n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the equation 1. Put the value of 2, 3, 4. Now S2 comes out to be that when n equal to 2, S2 comes out to be that is what? 0 plus a, that is what? 1, 2, and in place of and we put that is what 2 minus 1, and student it comes out to be that is what 4, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? It comes out to be that 1.5 meter. So distance travel in second, n equal to 2, n equal to 1. In one when n equal to 1, S1 comes out to be that 0.5 meter. When n equal to 2, S2 comes out to be that 1.5 meter. Similarly, student, we put the value of n in this equation. For n equal to 3, after solving this, a that is what same, that is 1, u that is what 0. So putting the value of 3, ascent distance comes out to be that what 2.5. When putting the value of n equal to 4, it comes out to be that 3.5, 5, 4.5, 6, 5.5. Put n equal to 7, ascent comes out to be that 6.5 meter. When n 8, ascent distance comes out to be that ascent means what? At 8 second, 7.5 meter. When n equal to n, it comes out to be that 8.5. And when we put 10 in this equation, student, that is what 1 by 2. 10 minus 2 minus 10, 20 minus 1, 19 by 2, and 19 by 2 comes out to be that what 9.5 meter. So this is the table for ascent distance traveled by object in various seconds for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The three-wheeler travel a distance of 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5 and 9.5 after 10 seconds. Three-wheeler move in a uniform speed. So student, only we have to put the formula distance travel by three-wheeler in n second. We put the formula ascent equal to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1, and putting the value of n equal to from 1 to 10, we get the ascent value from 1 to 10. And now student, I am going to plot the graph between distance covered by three-wheeler in nth second versus n. So in x-axis we take a n second, that is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And in y-axis we have taken the distance traveled by three-wheeler in nth second, that is ascent value. So student, when n equal to 1, then ascent value, that is what 0.5. So here value. So when n equal to 2, ascent, that is what it comes out to be that 1.5. When 3, that is what, then ascent comes out to be that what 2.5. See clearly. When ascent, when n, that is what 4, and its value 3.5. See clearly. When n equal to what 5, and ascent value comes out 4.5. When n, that is what 6, see 5.5, its value 5.5. When n 7, its value comes out to be that what 6.5. Similarly student, when n, that is what 8, so 7 by 7, 7.5. S, that is what 8, and its value comes out to what 7.5. When n, that is what time, that is what 9 second, and ascent means at 9 second distance comes out to be that what 8.5. And when n, that is what 10, and nth ascent at 10 second comes out to be that 9.5 meter. And student, this is the point, that is what we obtain by drawing a graph between the ascent and n, and we join all these points, we get a straight line. And after this three-wheeler moves with a uniform speed parallel to the time axis. And with what speed this three-wheeler travel after 10 seconds. So we have to find the distance and velocity acquired by the velocity of the three-wheeler, velocity of three-wheeler at the end of 10 seconds. So V equal to U plus AT. We use the formula, and three-wheeler start from what? Rest, accelerate with what? 1, and time we have to find, that is what? 10. So V equal to what? 10 meter per second. And student, after 10 second, three-wheeler move with a uniform speed, that is what? 10 meter per second. And the graph which is shown BC, which is parallel to the time axis. And last question is that you see that in question it may ask that what do you expect this plot to be during accelerated motion. So student, here the object is three-wheeler move with a uniform speed, no acceleration. So during acceleration motion, what types of the graph comes out to be? That A to B. During accelerated motion, A to B graphs comes out to be that in the form of straight line. This is the complete answer of this question number 23.